Hello everyone. Today we are going to do three comprehensions in one single video. So without wasting any time, let's start doing the first composition. Dentist. I am John. I am a dentist. I check your teeth and gums. Some patients come to my office with very bad toothaches. I treat all my patients properly and tell them to smile always. In my free time, I love to sing. So, this passage is about a dentist whose name is John, and he checks the teeth and gums of his patients. Patients come to his office with very bad toothaches, and he treats all his patients with great love and care and treats them properly and always tells them to smile. So, and in his free time he loves to sing. तो ये एक डेंटिस्ट है, इसका नाम है जॉन, और ये टीथ और गम्स चेक करता है अपने पेशेंट्स के जो उसके ऑफिस में आते हैं और जिनके दांत में बहुत ख़राब दर्द होता है। ये अपने सारे पेशेंट्स को बहुत अच्छी तरह से चेक करते हैं और उन्हें हमेशा स्माइल यानी कि हंसने की सलाह देते हैं। और फ्री टाइम में इन्हें क्या पसंद है? इन्हें गाना गाना पसंद है। तो आइए चलिए अब हम इसका ग्रामर वर्क देखते हैं। चूज द राइट आंसर। जॉन इज अ doctor, teacher, or a dentist? Yes, John is a dentist. Here it is written over here. John checks our teeth and hair, tongue, or gums. Let's see. I check your teeth and gums. So the correct answer would be gums. How does John treat his patients? John, I treat all my patients properly. So, John treats all his patients properly. What does John love to do in his free time? Let's see. In my free time, I love to sing. So, what does John love to do in his free time? Dance, sing, or sleep? Yes, the right answer is sing. So you can again read this passage on your own and try to do the grammar work over here and choose the correct answer. Now let's go on to the next passage. This passage is about a dog, James and his dog. Okay, James wants a dog. He walks to the pet store. James sees the animal at the pet store. He sees the cats. He sees the rabbits. He sees the birds. He sees the mice. He sees the dogs. How much does the dog cost? James says, $20. The man says. James gives the man $20. James buys the dog. The dog walks home with James. Now James has a pet. तो जेम्स नाम का एक लड़का है, उसे एक पेट चाहिए डॉग के रूप में। तो वो एक पेट स्टोर पे जाता है और वहाँ पे जाके देखता है कि बहुत सारे पेट्स हैं। वहाँ पे कौन कौन से पेट्स हैं? कैट, रैबिट्स, बर्ड्स, माइस, डॉग्स। और जेम्स को क्या खरीदना था? डॉग खरीदना था। तो उसने डॉग की कॉस्ट प्राइस पूछी कि कितने का है डॉग। वो जो शॉपकीपर है वो कहता है $20 का है। और जेम्स ने उस इंसान को $20 दिए और डॉग खरीद के वापस घर चला गया। अब जेम्स के पास क्या है? एक तो पेट है। तो आइए अब हम इसका ग्रामर वर्क करते हैं। What kind of a pet does James want? A bird, a cat, or a dog? What does James want? Yes, James wants a dog. So, James wants a dog. James does not see the mice, fish or cats. James को क्या नहीं दिखाई दिया शॉप में? पहले देखते हैं जेम्स को क्या क्या दिखाई दिया। cats, rabbits, birds, mice and dogs. तो उसे क्या नहीं दिखाई दिया? उसे fish नहीं दिखाई दिया था. So James does not see the fish. What pet does James buy? A bird, a rabbit or a dog? So let's see, what does James buy from the pet shop? Now James buys a dog. So the answer would be dog. Yes. How much does the dog cost? तो डॉग की क्या कॉस्ट प्राइस थी? आइए देखते हैं. James says $20. Sorry, $20 the man says, and James give $20 to and buys the dog. तो क्या कॉस्ट थी डॉग की? $20. What is the best title for this passage? क्या हो सकता है सबसे बेस्ट टाइटल इस पैसेज के लिए? जेम्स बाइज अ पेट, क्योंकि जेम्स का मेन एम क्या था? पेट खरीदना. सो ही गोज टू द शॉप टू बाय अ पेट. सो वी कैन सी कि इस जो टाइटल हो सकता है इस स्टोरी का, इस पैसेज का, वो हो सकता है जेम्स बाइज अ पेट. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द थर्ड पैसेज. Let's do the third passage. Rebecca likes to make cookies. She makes chocolate cookies. She makes nut cookies. Rebecca makes chocolate and nut cookies. Rebecca likes to make cakes. She makes yellow cakes. She makes white cakes. Rebecca makes yellow and white cakes. Rebecca likes to make pies. She makes apple pies. She makes lemon pies. Rebecca makes apple and lemon pies. So children, what do you see? That there is a girl over here, Rebecca, and she likes to make cookies, cakes and what else? Pies. What kind of cookies does she make? She makes chocolate cookies and nut cookies. And what kind of cakes does she make? Yellow cakes and white cakes. Now, Rebecca also likes to make pies. What kind of pies does she make? Apple pies and lemon pies. Okay, now let's get down to the grammar work. Rebecca is a waiter, baker, or a chef. She bakes all the different cooking items she bakes. So we can say that Rebecca is a baker. Why? Because cookies and cakes and pies are always baked and not cooked or anything. So Rebecca is a baker. Rebecca does not make A. Cakes, bread or pies. So what does Rebecca makes? She makes cookies, she makes cakes and she also makes pies. So Rebecca makes cakes and pies. What she does not make is bread. So the correct answer is bread. Rebecca probably also makes bread or eggs or candy. So we can always say that Rebecca probably also makes bread. Why? Because bread is also a baking item. What color are Rebecca cakes? Rebecca के केक्स के क्या कलर हैं देखते हैं. Rebecca makes yellow and white cakes. So which one is the correct answer? White and brown? No. Yellow and blue? No. Yellow and white? Yes. So C is the correct answer. Rebecca makes क्या बनाती है? Nut pies and apple cakes. Yeah, chocolate pies and lemon cookies. Yellow cakes and chocolate cookies. तो चलो हम देखते हैं क्या बनाती हैं. Nut pies बनाती है? No, she makes only apple and lemon pies. So number A is wrong. Chocolate pies and lemon cookies? No, she doesn't make chocolate pies. She doesn't make lemon cookies. So B is also wrong. yellow cakes and chocolate cookies. So let me see. Is there yellow cakes? Yes, she makes, and also she also makes chocolate cookies. So number C is the right option. So we have done three passages, and passages are very important to develop English. Plus in higher classes you get passages of about 30 to 40 marks. So we should all better practice passages. You can also visit other videos on passages made on this channel. Thank you everyone. If you have, please like the video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.